Hey everyone, it's Freezerbound Outdoors. Today we're checking out some of the self-healing foam targets from OnCore. They're pretty sweet. You gotta have a backstop for them, so you have to have a bag or block target or piece of foam. We also did it with a box of rags. Turned out pretty good. We've shot this zombie probably 150 times now, and it's pretty good. The eyes glow in the dark. I believe the teeth glow in the dark. But you can see some of the holes where the paint is. The paint comes off, but they seal up very well. They're weather resistant, so you can have them outside. We use these. We took these to an indoor range during a kids shoot, and the kids absolutely loved them. We have put the zombie and the bobcat, just to give you a side view here, they're about an inch thick. They're still a little curved because I just got them out of the box that they sent them to me in. And we're going to send a bunch of arrows into them here. Shoot the zombie between the eyes. Boom!
Right between the teeth.
Right between the teeth. Nice shot, bud.
Well, he needs a floss.
He needs the floss? Is that what you... Hey guys, me and Drake are out here shooting some OnCore targets, and we're going to shoot them together. Are you ready, bud?
Yeah. How many times have to say
OnCore? Yeah, that's cool. Are you ready? Boom! 2 kill shots on the zombie.
Oh. Don't forget about subscribe for this channel.
Subscribe to the channel. That's right, bud.
Mine was almost in the heart. Mine was almost in the heart.
Drake hit the scoring rings, and I shot the eyeball. Pretty cool.